So guys, you can see here there are no connected error message are displayed for printer. How to fix it in this video? We will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. Click here start button, and after that guys, click here run and type here under this box services.msc. And after that guys, click here OK button and click here print spoiler service. Find this service and click here, and after that guys, this service is not connected. Click here properties and select here automatic. Okay, and click here start button. After that guys, click here apply and then click here OK button. If this service is running, restart this service. If you find this service already running, restart. And after that guys, find here this service, plug and play. Right click on it and click here stop. And after that guys, click here start button. Restart this service. Okay. After that guys, click here this service printer extension, right click on it and click here start. Okay, and after that guys, this service would be running here. Now right click on this service and click here start. These all service would be running here. Okay, this service, close this window. Now we are going for next method. Click here start button, and after that guys, click here setting. Click here update and security and click here troubleshoot option. Okay, and click here additional troubleshooter option. Find here printer under this list. Click here run the troubleshooter option. It will detect the automatic problem here. Select your printer in this list. This is our printer, copy 1. Okay, click here next. So there are no any problem. Now close this window. Launch any browser on your Windows, and after that type here this search engine HP, your printer name, printer driver, download. Okay, your printer name type here. So click here this first link, printer driver and software download. Now guys, scroll down and let's identify your printer. Now type here your printer product name number here. Click here run. Now guys, type here control. Click here device and printer option. Now guys, this is your printer and this is your 1020 model number. Okay, HP LaserJet 1020. Properties and copy this. Okay, this copy this your printer name and type here, paste. So guys, you can see here this is your printer. Click on it, this option, and after that guys, select here your operating system. Windows 10 we are using and 64 we are using. Okay, now click here submit. Now guys, scroll down and download this driver. So guys, you can see here our printer get downloaded. Now right click on it. So guys, you can see here our printer driver already downloaded under download folder. Now right click on it and click here run as administrator. Now close this window. Now click here install button. Now guys, if this printer already installed, click here repair and click here next. So guys, you can see here your printer driver get downloaded and installed properly on your Windows. So restart your PC here. Now log in again on your Windows. Now guys, check your problem is fixed or not. Click here start button. After that click here setting and click here devices option, and after that guys click here printer and scanner. So guys, you can see here there are no error under this printer, no connected error. So guys, if your problem is fixed here, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.